In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple email accounts to one user in Hubspot. Whether you're managing several email addresses for different projects, or simply want a more streamlined way to handle your communications within HubSpot, this step-by-step tutorial is going to make things a lot easier for you. So, let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the HubSpot website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, you should see the option to log in. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on login and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you're not yet logged in, take a moment to do so. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using the correct account, especially if you handle multiple profiles. After successfully logging into HubSpot, you'll be redirected to the HubSpot home. Here is where you'll manage all the tools and features HubSpot offers. The next step is to locate the settings, which is typically marked by a gear icon. Click on Settings to advance to the platform settings page. This is your control hub for personalizing and setting up different functions, including email configurations. Once you're in the settings area, look for the email section. It might take a little bit of scrolling, but it's usually nestled among the key options. Click on Email to access your email settings. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage the email addresses associated with your HubSpot account. Here you will be able to handle integrations and ensure all your communications are synced up effectively. Now, it's time to add the emails or domains you want to connect. In the email settings section, you'll find an option labeled Add Emails or Domains. Click on this option to begin the process of linking your additional email accounts. A window will prompt you to enter the necessary details for each email account you wish to connect. Take your time entering the correct email addresses and any specific domain information required. It's critical that you enter this information accurately to ensure that all your emails are correctly routed and connected within the HubSpot system. Double check your entries to avoid any potential errors or confusion later on with your communications. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly connect multiple email accounts to one user in HubSpot. This setup will allow you greater flexibility and efficiency in managing your communications, pulling all your necessary email interactions into one central location. Whether you have a dozen emails or just a few, HubSpot makes it easy for you to stay organized. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of HubSpot's versatile platform.